Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's vlog is all about my time in Bangkok. I will go over all the must-dos as well as where we stayed. So let's get into it. For starters, we stayed at Hotel Indigo, which is on the historic and famous Wireless Road. This is in the heart of the city. I mean, the views are impeccable, the reviews are impeccable. Check it out for yourself. I used TripAdvisor and Google to find this place, but the detail and the decor, it really took my breath away. As you can see, all the gold detail, the his and her sinks, the shower, the tub, it literally just took my breath away as soon as I walked in, but it only got better once I saw the views. I mean, the balcony view of the city when you are in the heart of the city, like it is like no other.
There's a bull and a matador dueling in the sky. In hell, there's heaven.
Also, I got such a warm surprise. I was here for my birthday and my husband organized with Hotel Indigo to decorate my room with balloons and cupcakes. It was like the sweetest welcome ever. But we wasted no time. Once we got there, we knew the first night we wanted to do a rooftop bar, and such a great start to our night. I highly recommend doing a rooftop bar, specifically Char, since that's where we went. If you are in Bangkok, it's just something you have to experience at least once. The DJ was spinning amazing tracks, which I was so shocked. So you can definitely expect like top 40s, some a little old school, a little new school. Also the drinks were amazing and impeccable. Like actually we had maybe one too many drinks, but they were so delicious. And we had appetizers, and honestly it was just a great vibe. How would you rate it?
It's pretty dope.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to top. Everything has been amazing. The drinks were so good. We're probably gonna spend every night on that rooftop. The food was impeccable, and the views though, like you can't beat this. 10 out of 10. This was the perfect decision. So I started my next morning with an amazing view and a nice warm bath, and I headed straight to Metro, which is the neighborhood cafe at the hotel, because I had a Thai cooking class with none other than Chef Jimmy.
Okay. Good afternoon. Welcome to Hotel Indigo Bangkok. Today we will cook something for you. Please follow me. Okay. มาแล้วค่ะสวัสดีค่ะ
So Chef Jimmy was nothing short of amazing. I absolutely loved the cooking class with him. Not only is he crazy experienced, he has over like 2 decades in the industry, but he was so informative and just patient and gave the history behind everything. We got to taste, we got to laugh, we really got to bond over cooking and food, and I learned so much about Thai culture and not just Thai cuisine. I highly recommend taking a Thai cooking class while you are in the city. We actually ended up making a total of 4 different dishes. I will try my best to not butcher the names. And the smell, I can already smell it. This is gonna be delicious.
Wow.
Okay, now this one's my favorite. Oh, that's so good.
Oh my god. Yeah. Gang is mean curry. Gangเป็ดย่าง is mean roasted duck. It mean roasted duck red curry นะคะ this good for go with a steamed rice นะคะ we will have later oh my god say best of the best
Now I have him doing get us in it.
Today, yeah. The model. Yeah. Okay. So we move to the table for taste.
Okay, now. So we just got done cooking with Chef Jimmy, who was amazing.
Thank you so much.
Look at this. We made so much food. We're about to go eat it now. So let's go.
Is sum tam, which is like a spicy green papaya salad, pad thai, gang ped yang, which is roasted duck curry, yum so o.
So one thing about Thai culture is you'll rarely ever see one person eating alone. It is really a social event, meaning you commune together, you laugh together, and you bond together. So that's exactly what we did after we made our delicious meal, and got to talk about so many different things. And I even learned a few Thai words.
This we call young rice pudding.
Young rice pudding.
Yeah. A bit salty, sweet. Oh my god. เร็วๆค่ะ Happy birthday
Oh my gosh.
Happy birthday to you Happy birthday Happy birthday Happy birthday to you
Oh my god.
ขอบคุณค่ะ Happy birthday make a wish ค่ะ
Okay, let me see. We had crazy amounts of desserts and none other than the mango and sticky rice, which is a staple in Thailand. Alamakka. No.
No, you're right.
Okay. Alamak.
Like cup.
Our hotel. We just left our hotel, and it's right by the BTS Sky station. So we're gonna take the train to the mall. So somehow every day is starting to feel like an episode of Black Mirror for me. And I don't know if I'm watching too much of that show. Anyways, we have no idea if there's an event or something going on. There's like all these people and cameras and signs. Say that the first full day in Bangkok has been an absolute success, and it's not even over yet. We have a tour, a Tuk Tuk tour. It's a food tour that we're so excited to go ahead and take, and luckily we're right by the BTS, so we're just gonna take the train to meet up for our Tuk Tuk tour. So I'm gonna get changed, and I'll see you then. So we finally made it. We were running like 10 minutes late, but thank God we made it, and we're about to do the Tuk Tuk tour. So pretty excited. This is actually both our first times on a Tuk Tuk. So let's go. Ooh, it's lit. Hey, Papa Willie on the break. We popping willies in the Tuk Tuks.
Everybody going? Okay.
On the tour was a food tour, so we got to stop and taste some street food, as well as we got to go to one of the oldest places known for their pad thai. The line is insane. We did get to skip the line, but the wait was still crazy long. But this is just one of those places they say you have to go to when you're in Bangkok, so we did. Ooh, I look
I was
tired.
looking at this line.
I look tired. Yeah, the line's super long. How was it?
It was good. Not as good as the meal you cooked
Yeah.
earlier.
With Chef Jimmy.
Chef Jimmy, beautiful Chef Jimmy.
Yes, but this was still good. Afterwards, we also got to go to a flower market and see some of the temples, which was really, really cool to see at night. Good morning.
I'm feeling sexy and free, like glitters raining on me.
So on my birthday, I wanted to do nothing else besides relax at the pool. And oh my goodness, this pool was insane. I've honestly never swam or experienced a rooftop pool in the middle of the city like this. The views were just breathtaking. It was the perfect start to my birthday.
Feeling good tonight. Think got me feeling good tonight. Think got me feeling good tonight.
After swimming, we grabbed breakfast at Metro, which I never showed, so I wanted to show it. But it is complimentary or was included in our room. Basically, there's a combination of buffet style along with ordering food. I got to try so many drinks while being here. Like every day, I ordered like 3 or 4 different drinks, from Mai Tais to butterfly pea to guava juice, you name it.
Boom, boom. Drive slow, homie.
Another thing I wanted to do on my birthday was to get a Thai massage from one of the traditional Thai massage schools, which is at none other than Wat Po. Many people know this for the reclining Buddha. So we just got our massage ticket holding. It's like 40 minutes, so it's not that long, and we came in the middle of the afternoon. The end of the afternoon. It's like 2 or 3, 3:20. So kind of worked out. It's not really that crowded. So maybe you don't need to come early in the morning. Who knows?
I wonder if you think of me. Tell me, do you think of me? Baby, do you think of me? I know you must be wary about the other girls you see. I can see that you consider me and everything we used to be.
Alright, so we just got our Thai massages at Wat Po. How was it, Dwayne?
It's good. I'm relaxed.
Yeah, we both did the hour Thai massage and we did 30 minutes of the foot massage. I kind of wish we did an hour also of the foot massage, but it was really, really good. And then they give you this mulberry tea drink afterwards. We didn't record while we were in there because I mean it's massages, and plus it's like a whole bunch of like beds out there because it's like open space. So yeah, but well worth the visit. I wish we had more time so we could do another visit before we leave.
I know you must be wary.
Next, we headed to Chinatown, which I actually would highly recommend. It was lots of fun. It's kind of like New York, Times Square meets Chicago, meets DC, meets a lot of other stuff. I guess meets Bangkok. It was lots of fun. So many vendors, so many people, so many smells, so many things. It was just a good experience and a good taste of the city.
To live with knowing I'm better than ever, and that's the truth, yeah. And everything.
Sawadee-ka. It's kind of like, you know how you relax with nature? I do that, but I also relax by looking and people watching and stuff. Anyways, I'm so exhausted. We just got back from Chinatown, and we had like a full day, but I did everything I wanted to do here in Bangkok, and I just feel so excited.
Sometimes it's hard to tell so you may not be in the mood to love.
Your birthday and our last day in Thailand.
So for our last day in Thailand, I wanted one last Thai massage, so we headed out to Healthland, which I would highly recommend. Highly. It actually ended up being the favorite spot. And yeah, that about does it. So catch us in Phuket, which is where we're going to next.